The next step on the swing arm will be painting it, and then bearings. One bolt here. I think the rest of the bolts have been taken out. And that's how you take the airbox out. Rear chain slider. It's fairly worn. That's cheap. A little bit of screw and socket gripper, which is basically valve grind compound. Oddly, that's fitting a lot worse than it was. And it's fully stripped out. So I cut a slot in the bolt head, hopefully. With flathead screwdriver bit. We'll now take this out. Broke the bit. This bolt's been sitting. Still don't want to budge. I'll try and spray more penetrating oil down threads. Maybe that'll help. I think before I sprayed it between the bushing and that thing. Before the bike falls over on me, and to get the front wheel off, I'm going to screw a board from the frame to a stand. This one isn't long enough. I don't know what I'm going to do. Wonder how important this foam rubber is. This stuff is falling apart. Take it off with a sander or a wire brush. Dust these wire ties off. Usually these break pretty easily. Where the coil contacts the frame, it should really be rust free. Pretty rusty. So if you got poor spark or no sparks, definitely the first place I'd look. Next thing is taking off these fork guards.